Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We have very easy and perfect recipe for Holi Ramadan. You can prepare easily and cook quickly by our 2 minutes recipe. Just watch and listen and take a little notes. Hope enjoy it in the Ramadan evening dinner. Today we're diving into the heart of Ramadan with a nutritious favorite, Haleem. We love this especially in Ramadan. Time is important. So join me as we unravel the secrets of crafting this wholesome dish in just 2 minutes. Let's kick off our Haleem journey by gathering the essential ingredients. You can find most of the ingredients easily. We'll need wheat, lentils, meat, a variety of spices, and of course, the most important ingredient, time. Time is priceless and time is money. These elements will come together to create a dish that's not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients. And also, most of the elements are healthful. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. Combine the ingredients in a pot and let the magic unfold. As we let it simmer, the flavors meld together and the texture transforms into a velvety porridge. It's the slow cooking process that makes Haleem not just a dish, but an experience. As our Haleem reaches its perfect consistency, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish with fried onions, fresh coriander, and a drizzle of lemon for that extra zing. The aroma is irresistible and it's ready to be served to your loved ones. And there you have it, a hearty bowl of Haleem in just 2 minutes. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and hit that notification bell. May your Ramadan be filled with joy, blessings, and delicious moments. Until next time, happy cooking.